Hello friends, I welcome you all to GIPL Technical Series. I am Bhavik Parmar and I am working with GIPL as a software engineer. Today we are going to provide information for the new SQL basic covering topics of union, union all, group by, having, exist. So stay connected with us till the end to know the full details. Before we start our topic, I would like to give some information about GIPL. GIPL is a government organization. GIPL provides IT and IT-enabled services to different government organizations. We provide informative videos about government software and latest technology tutorials. To get latest videos, please press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start our topic. The SQL union operator. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Each select statement with union must have the same number of columns. The columns must also have similar data types. The column in each select statement must also be in the same order. Union syntax: select column name from table 1, union select column name from table 2. The union all syntax: the union operator select only distinct value by default. To allow duplicate value, use union all. Select column name from table 1, union all select column name from table 2. Note: the column name in the result set are usually equal to column name in the first select statement in the union. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Below is selection from the customer table. Select star from customers. And a selection from suppliers table. Select star from suppliers. SQL union example. The following SQL statement returns the city's only distinct value from both the customers and the suppliers table. Select city from customers, union, select city from suppliers, order by city. Note: if some customers or suppliers have the same city, each city will only be listed once, because union selects only distinct values. Use union all to also select duplicate values. SQL union all example. The following SQL statement returns the city's duplicate value also from both the customer and the supplier table. Select city from customer, union all, select city from suppliers, order by city. SQL union with where clause. The following SQL statement returns the German cities only distinct values from both the customer and the supplier table. Select city, country from customer where country equal to Germany, union, select city, country from suppliers where country equal to Germany, order by city. SQL union all with where clause. The following SQL statement returns the German city's duplicate value also from both the customer and the supplier tables. Select city, country from customers where country equal to Germany, union all, select city, country from suppliers where country equal to Germany, order by city. Another union example. The following SQL statement lists all customer and suppliers. Select in single quote customer as type, contact name, city, country from customer. Union, select in single quote supplier, contact name, city, country from suppliers. Notice the as type above, it is an alias. SQL alias are used to give a table or a column a temporary name. An alias only exists for the duration of the query. So here we have created a temporary column name type that lists whether the contact person is a customer or a supplier. The SQL group by statement. The group by statement groups rows that have the same value into the summary rows, like find the number of customers in each country. The group by statement is often used with the aggregate function like count, max, mean, sum, average to group the result set by one or more columns. Group by syntax. Select column name from table name where condition group by column name order by column name. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Below is a selection from customer table. Select star from customers. SQL group by example. This SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country. Select count into bracket customer ID, comma country from customers group by country. This SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country sorted high to low. Example, select count into bracket customer ID, comma country from customers group by country order by count into bracket customer ID descending. Group by with join example. This SQL statement lists the number of orders sent by the each shipper. Select shipper.shipper name count orders.order ID as number of orders from orders left join shippers on order.shipper ID is equal to shippers.shipper ID group by shipper name. Now we see the result. The SQL having clause. The having clause was added to SQL because the where keyword could not be used with the aggregate functions. Having syntax. Select column name from table name where condition group by column name having condition order by column name. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Below is a selection from customer table. Select star from customers. Now you see the result of customer table. It contains 13 rows of different country of customer. SQL having examples. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country. Only include countries more than 2 customers. Select count customer ID, comma country from customers group by country having count customer ID greater than 2. Now we see the result of this query. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country sorted high to low. Only include countries with more than 2 customers. Select count customer ID, comma country from customers order by country having count customer ID greater than 2 order by count customer ID descending. Now we see the result of this query. The SQL exist operator. The exist operator is used to test for the existence of any record in a subquery. The exist operator returns true if subquery returns one or more records. Exist syntax. Select column name from table name where exists into bracket select column name from table name where condition. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Below is a selection from the products table. Select star from products and selection from the supplier table. Select star from suppliers. SQL exists example. The following SQL statement returns true and lists the supplier with product price less than 20. Select supplier name from suppliers where exists into bracket select product name from products where product.supplier id is equal to supplier.supplier id and price less than 20. Now you see the result of this query. The following statement SQL statement return true and lists the supplier with product price equal to 22. Select supplier name from suppliers where exists into bracket select product name from products where product.product id is equal to supplier.supplier id and price is equal to 20. Today we have covered following topics in SQL Basic: union, union or, group by, having, exist. Hope all this information was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. For any IT and IT enabled services, you can contact GIPL with details shown on the screen. If you like our video, please click like button and share with your friends and family. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home and take care of yourself.